Hi friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Lumion 10. I am architect Sonu Rai from Studio, and today I am going to discuss about the tool landscape, which is situated just beside this material applying tool, and it will resemble a mountain symbol here. I am going and clicking this, and after this you can see here this is the height adjustment. Here you can adjust height, and this is the brush tool which is seen in yellow mark, and you can adjust the brush size from here. You can increase or you can decrease also, and this is the brush speed. So if you increase, it will be faster in doing this height adjustment. And this is the flattening landscape map that I will discuss later, and I am going to use this is for raising and this is for downgrading your mountain. So I am going to first raise this, and you can see you can quickly raise these mountains. And it is doing quickly because of this brush speed. If I reduce my brush speed, you can see it is bit slower. And if I use this lower tool here, it will bring the mountain, it will recess the landscape here, and it will be like a valley. It will decrease the topography surface. It will go further down and down. And this one is for making flattened surface. So if you click this, and you can make flat surface here. If you want to make flat surface, you can use this tool. This is jitter effect. If you bring this, it will create more jitter effect. You can increase the speed, brush speed. You can create jitter effect here. And this is for smoothing the surface. So if you want to smooth, you can use this smooth tool here. So you can increase the brush size, and you can increase the brush speed from here. The next is water. You can add water also, and this is for choosing water type. If you want to choose water type, you can choose it from here. I'm going to select this ocean effect, and now you can use this place object, and you have to click the left mouse, and you have to drag wherever you want your water effect, and you can press E to take it closer. Okay, and this is for stretching. You can adjust, and you can use this to bring it down. So this is very nice water effect. So Lumion is very fast and it gives realistic look. So this is for water effect. If you want to change the water type, you can select it from here, and you can change the water type. The next is ocean effect. If you want ocean effect, you have to click this ocean, and you have to click this button here, ocean on or off. I am going to click this, and wow, this is some beautiful sea view here. You have seen how beautiful Lumion is. So you can give ocean effect also. You can change the wave intensity. If you want to increase the intensity, you can change the turbidity. So Lumion is very easy to use, and you can give realistic scene to your rendering project, and you can change the color also from color preset. You can give some different colors if you want to give some blue, dark blue, you can change it from here, and you can change the height also. So you can adjust the height from here, and wind rate speed also you can change it from here. This is the brightness. So Lumion is very beautiful software. You can use it for your realistic rendering, and you can see if you want to turn it off, you have to click once and it goes. So next is landscape grass. If you want to show grass here in this, I will zoom it for you. And if you want grass effect, you have to select landscape grass and you have to turn it on, and you can see this is all grasses. You can change the grass size, you can change the grass height also, and grass wildness also. You can give forest light or anything according to your scene. If you want to turn it off, you have to click once and close. This street map I will discuss later. It is just like Google Map, so we will discuss in our architectural project. And this is the paint. So paint, I will show you how you can use paint. So I'm going to click this paint, and you can apply this kind of stone effect into your scene. And I'm going to click this first, and I will click edit type, and I'm going to select this flat rock or American stones. I'm going to select, and I will decrease the brush size, and I will increase the brush speed. So you can use this pen to give a realistic look. You can make pathways also. You can change this. This is the use of paint. So this is the all tutorials for today's session, and the next session I will discuss more in Lumion. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.